You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Spanish expression, very popular, very useful if you want to learn more Spanish vocabulary. Make sure to stay tuned. It means see you tomorrow, okay? It's also see you in the morning. Hasta, the H is not pronounced in Spanish, so don't worry about it. Hasta mañana. So the N with a little tilde, with a little wave on top of it, is pronounced like GN, ny sound. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. In South America, Central America, Mexico, it's the same pronunciation. Hasta mañana is see you tomorrow in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.